Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase open source contributions with GitHub, full guide step by step clearly. First, understand the importance of open source projects in the tech community. Begin by identifying projects that align with your interests. Visit GitHub and use the search bar to find repositories related to your field. Explore trending repositories to see what is currently popular. Next, familiarize yourself with the repository by reading the README file. The README usually contains crucial information about the project's purpose and setup. Check out the Issues tab to find tasks that need attention. Look for issues labeled as Good First Issue or Help Wanted to start contributing. Once you find an issue to work on, fork the repository to your own GitHub account. To fork, click on the Fork button in the upper right corner of the repository page. Now you have your own copy of the project to work on without affecting the original repository. Clone the forked repository to your local machine for easier access. Use the command line to run the command git clone your repo URL. Make sure to create a new branch for your contributions. Use git checkout b branch name to create and switch to a new branch. Make the necessary changes or improvements to the codebase on your local machine. Throughout your work, ensure your code adheres to the project's coding standards. Test your changes thoroughly to minimize errors. Once you are satisfied with your work, commit your changes with a clear message. Use git commit m description of changes to describe what you've done. Push your changes back to your forked repository on GitHub. Use git push origin branch name to upload your commits. Navigate to the original repository on GitHub. Click on Pull Requests and then select New Pull Request. Choose your fork and branch you want to merge into the original repository. Write a concise note explaining what changes you made and why they are valuable. Submit the pull request and be prepared to engage with project maintainers. Respond to any feedback or requests for changes promptly. Continue contributing regularly to build your reputation in the open source community. Network with other contributors to learn and grow within this collaborative space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.